Hello, my name is Cindy, and I've been a nurse for almost 14 years. And I remember learning something early on that really helped me out. I probably said it to myself under my breath or mouthed it 50 times a day when I was checking in patients in the emergency room. Someone had taught me how to put on those ECG leads, the ones that hook up to your wall monitor, which is always one of the first things we do in the ER. And they had taught me something that really stuck with me. I've heard lots of sayings for this, but the one that stuck with me was snow over grass, smoke over fire. So snow over grass is white over green, and smoke over fire is black over red. And I always remembered white to right, so I knew that I was putting the white lead over the right shoulder. And that always helped me through it. And as corny as it sounds, when things get really busy and hectic and crazy, and you really don't need to try to think and remember something else, but you need to know it, learning these little sayings are really helpful. So I always tell all of the nursing students to try to pay attention to those things and ask their preceptors what they use to remember silly little things that they might do 100 times a day. So, snow over grass, smoke over fire.